Yo, you had my back,
We did
bro.
that, like I told you I would. We did it.
Shh. Yo, that's how we do it. That's how it goes. What you gonna do next week?
Let me tell you something, Willow. I'm from the 305. And in the 305, we slip and slide. We get down and dirty. And we get it done by any means necessary. You think you're gonna hit me hard?
Hard? Nah, son, that's not how we do things around here.
Next week, you messed around and you about to find out.
I saw it with my own eyes. Diamante, you used your tiny little feet to give Mercedes extra leverage for that pin. You are not true winners. And next week, Willow's gonna give it to you so hard, you're gonna get it.
I'm not surprised that you guys did this. I'm surprised it worked. You roughed me up, broke my nail. But you know what? It's okay. I'm gonna put my smile back on. And you, Diamante, might be trying to show just how bad and tough you are to Mercedes. Always talking about the 305. Well, honey, I'm gonna pounce you back into the 305, and I'm gonna teach you 3 new numbers. 1, 2, 3. Ring the bell!
Ding, ding, ding.
The following contest is set for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, from Long Island in New York, Willow Nightingale.
2 weeks ago, as Willow Nightingale makes her way to the ring, Willow made a save, and it was just in the nick of time.
Getting involved in business that didn't occur to her. Nightingale coming out here and interrupting a post-match attack. As we can see here, the tag team match was nearly getting a pound of flesh payback, but Diamante helping out Mercedes Martinez to pick up the victory. That was last week. Tonight, Nightingale is looking for a little bit of payback.
So Willow Nightingale coming to the aid of of Chris Statlander. The fuse is lit.
And her opponent from Miami, Florida, Diamante.
Locked and loaded, a badass Latina walks to the ring like a scene from Tarantino. Pulp Fiction meets dusk till dawn. Diamante is ready to take a bite.
So Diamante has been running buddies with Mercedes Martinez. Chris Statlander found that out firsthand a couple of weeks ago. Willow Nightingale came to the aid of her pal, Statlander.
Yeah, but we just saw at the outset of this match what happened. And let's be perfectly honest, Diamante really didn't help Mercedes Martinez that much. I think ultimately Martinez would have defeated Nightingale either way. But be that as it may, right now it's Nightingale who has to try to control her anger, focus her anger. Otherwise, Diamante could get another victory. Yeah.
Heavy shot in the corner, and in AEW's effort to assist those affected by the wildfires in Maui, proceeds from Fight for the Fallen will all go to help the Maui Food Bank. Now, if you would like to help those impacted, please donate to mauifoodbank.org. And we want to thank you as well. If you wish to, you can text Hawaii to 707070. Every little bit helps, Nigel.
A lot of people suffering, certainly. To your point, every dollar you can spare will help out someone in need.
Diamante finding the physical way to go. You always got to be impressed with Diamante's physicality,
Absolutely.
intensity.
Street smart, dangerous, and opportunistic. Thorny Rose. She's always had a chip on her shoulder that always feels like perhaps she hasn't achieved when she's had the opportunities that have been given to her.
And this crowd solidly behind Willow Nightingale, wearing the blue of the beloved Kentucky Wildcats here in Rupp Arena. Uh-oh!
Whoa! Bit of a desperate ploy, isn't it?
I don't seem to be a good wrestling move to me.
Oh, I hope they cheer for me. Diamante doesn't care about anybody cheering for her.
For sure.
All she cares about is wins and losses.
And watch out the power of Willow Nightingale again. Continues to impress with strength. And, oh, wait a second. Look who's coming down.
Mercedes Martinez, the running mate of Diamante.
I don't know, you've been telling me for a few minutes about how Diamante's tough, chip on his shoulder, but yet needs help here from...
Doesn't need help, but
I don't know.
feather flock together.
Sure.
Just coming out to morally support her friends.
I don't know, were they morally supporting Chris Statlander a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah, I would say so.
Sure.
Nightingale better be careful. So they're not trying to get any cheap shots on Martinez to get disqualified.
Willow's got that trainer's tape on the elbow, the shoulder, and that's where Diamante targeted.
Well, trying to sap the energy of a more powerful opponent. Ooh! That's one way out of it.
Down you go. On the full slam, Mercedes Martinez watching ringside as Diamante now, again about to absorb another powerful running charge.
There you go.
Clips the knee, does Diamante, and then buzzsaw kick back of the head.
There you go. Pretty, take your
Oh,
picture.
look at that.
The angelic face of Diamante, but man, she is a demon. Folks, the action continues in picture-in-picture. Hey, we are live on a Saturday night that's all right for fighting. Diamante, Willow Nightingale slugging it out, center ring. Kevin Kelly, Nigel McGuinness, we're ringside. Rupp Arena in Lexington, Kentucky. That's Mercedes Martinez, the close personal friend of Diamante. Just down as an interested observer, I'm sure, Nigel.
Absolutely been lending moral support to Diamante, who's right now suffering a barrage of offense from the amiable and boisterous Willow Nightingale. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Willow Nightingale would love to be able to win this match over Diamante with the Dr. Bob. Starts things cooking though. Spine buster, the stab.
Diamante, tough as nails. They'll take a little bit more than that.
You gotta tie it up. You're better than this. You're better than her.
Near unanimous support for Willow Nightingale. Diamante lead. Ooh, look at the way the back of her head snapped into that turnbuckle, Nigel.
Right now,
There you go.
wide open. Oh, double knees, that could be it.
Pretty. Stay on her.
Willow Nightingale trying to put it together. Diamante looking to put her away.
Hit her.
Outside DDT and a near fall. Got news coming up about everything you will see at All In next Sunday, live on pay-per-view. Let's take another look here.
Look at the way, the momentum of driving Nightingale down back high across the neck. Almost enough to pick up the victory for Diamante.
We also, folks, have news about All In 0 hour. So you're going to want to make sure you're stay tuned for that. And watch this.
Roll up.
2.
Well, Diamante has taken everything that Nightingale can give, and she's still in there. So is Nightingale.
Got to be careful here with Diamante on the top rope.
Interesting strategy, only putting one leg to the outside. Any legs on the inside could possibly block a superplex attempt. Nightingale now, both legs are on the inside, yes.
And able to it. Oh, let's see.
Oh, the babe with a powerbomb might get powerbombed.
Willow able to hammer away. How about that? Missile drop kick.
Nightingale finding a second wind. Oh, well done. Mercedes Martinez pulling Diamante out of harm's way.
Oh, wait a minute, look who's joining the party. Hello, Chris Statlander.
There's no need for that. Straight away laying her hands on Martinez.
Oh, my God, both paid the price. But Mercedes Martinez now going to be out of commission. Oh, what a pounce.
More pounds for the ounce. Well, she's determined, no question about that.
The incredible rise and success of Willow Nightingale now. Here we go. Dr. Bomb. And with that, folks, it is over.
Winning this match, Willow Nightingale.
Oh, what's the matter? You got a problem? No problem at all with Chris Statlander. Helping out her friend Willow Nightingale, right?
If that's the only way that Nightingale can beat Diamante, then fair enough.
Well, I certainly would like to see more of this situation. Obviously, Chris Statlander and Mercedes Martinez. A little bit, yeah. There's a debt to be settled, shall we say, and a little bit of payback.
A little bit of payback, Statlander and Nightingale. Oh, they can have some fun now at Martinez and Diamante's expense. But just you wait. Payback is a B-I-T-C-H. You guys have got some coming, mark my words.
8 nights from now, it's all in London. Next Sunday, live on pay-per-view. Ticket sales for this event are record-setting. And this, next Sunday, will feature the rubber match between the Young Bucks and FTR.